Chef P, I need your assistance. I'm hungry. Oh man, I need something to eat. Maybe some noodles, some chicken. I'm starving. Can you come? Sounds good. Thank you. We have a little bonfire made from the resources around us, and yeah, I know you did a good job on the salt ratio.
Oh yeah.
Like,
That S stands for personal.
okay.
So it's like personal chef.
Personal chef.
But I turned like Chef P, so that it will, like, you know, have my own brand name.
Chef P, yeah,
Right?
that's good. A friend of mine